Interactive content is building in popularity. We're seeing it everywhere. In Visme, interactivity is the use of features to create engaging content that allows viewers to interact and participate with the material. This helps create memorable content, guide your audience, unveil more information, and even elevate your brand. In this video, we're going to focus on Visme's Hotspots. This is the ability to convert any object into an interactive feature in your content. Hotspots allows you to reveal more information, whether it's text, photos, video, or audio. To create a hotspot, you'll first need to select an object that you will want as your trigger to reveal a hotspot. Once selected, the Hotspots tab is located at the top of your editor here. Once it is selected, we have three options: objects, video, and audio. Starting with objects, you can create pop-up content with any object in Visme. On a click or hover, you can reveal additional information, whether it is a designed pop-up box with added text and visuals, data visuals, supplemental text to support the info, or even a video file that you want to have come up and play. Essentially, any object or group of objects can be revealed with a click or hover. Choose the content you want to reveal from the dropdown and how it will be revealed. Keep in mind, the list of objects here can be viewed and renamed in the objects list to help you locate them in the dropdown more easily. If you select the on-click open to create a pop-up, you'll have additional options on how you would like to collapse the revealed objects after it is viewed. A video hotspot will allow you to record up to 1 minute in length. This is a great way to share narrative-based information or an opportunity to check in with your viewers and audience to see how they're doing and to motivate them to keep going. I also love using video hotspots to help explain complex data and reports. Finally, we have an opportunity to create audio hotspots. You can record or upload an audio recording up to 1 minute long. This is a great way to describe a sequence, procedure, or delve into facts that are easier to understand through spoken word. Now in our hotspot settings, you'll have the option to show an indicator or not on your hotspot. The indicator lets your audience know that the object is interactive. If you choose not to show the indicator, I recommend including written instructions near the hotspot so that your audience knows that they are able to participate with this content. You can also include animated graphics that highlight that interactive area of the design to draw your audience's attention to it. So whether you're linking objects, videos, or audio, Hotspots and Visme bring your ideas to life with smooth and engaging interactivity. Now it's your turn. Go try it out and wow your audience.